Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Are you busy looking for easy recipe which is delicious and nutritious as well? Well, today I will show one pot chicken pasta in 20 minutes only. It is great for lunch and dinner. Now let's see the ingredients. Boneless chicken breast 2 pieces, pasta 2.5 cup, red bell pepper 1 piece, green bell pepper 1 piece, yellow bell pepper 1 piece, chopped onion 1 piece, grated ginger 1 tablespoon, grated garlic 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, white pepper half teaspoon, Italian seasoning 1 teaspoon, milk 3 cups, tomato pulp 1 cup, mozzarella cheese 1 cup. Let's start preparation. Place a pan over medium heat. Add olive oil 3 tablespoons. Chopped onion 1 piece. Fry for 2 minutes. Grated garlic 1 tablespoon. Grated ginger 1 tablespoon. Now cook for 2 minutes. Add boneless chicken breast 2 pieces. Now cook for 4 minutes. Italian seasoning, white pepper, salt, red chili powder. Now mix well. Add green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. Again mix it. Add tomato pulp. Mix well. Add milk 3 cups. Mix it. Add pasta. Mix it. Now bring it to boil. Now cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the cover. On the top, spread 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Cover and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the cover. The pasta is done. Now transfer it in a dish. Garnish with spring onion. My on-pot delicious chicken pasta is ready. Now it is the time to taste. It is packed with flavors, juicy chicken with creamy tomato sauce and rich with cheesy touch and crunchy vegetables. You will definitely say, wow! Everyone who tries it will love it, for sure. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.